Hey YouTube, this is Jobe, and today I'll have an in-depth review of the new Apple Maps application for iOS 6.0. As you can see, it's not Google Maps anymore, but just Maps, and this is made by Apple. This is not released to the public yet, and I'm currently running a beta version. So if you want to get this, you're going to have to wait until fall 2012. So I'll just talk about the similarities and then the differences. So some similarities are that you still have the standard, the hybrid, the satellite, traffic, like that. So right now I'll just stay in satellite mode. So it will be a little choppy due to the facts that I'm connected via AirPlay, which definitely makes it a little choppier, and that it's a beta version. So this will not be what it's like in real life when it comes out. So when I zoom in, you notice there's still draw pins and stuff when I searched it up top. The quality seems to be much better with pictures, and one big thing is it's in 3D. It's kind of tough to see in this angle, but if I tap the 3D button on the bottom left, that's just amazing. Look at that. All these buildings are in 3D. This is the beta version. Imagine what it's going to be like in 3 months when it comes out. And I could easily navigate around each building by putting 2 fingers down and just twisting, like rotating them, and I can easily get a 360 view of the building. This is the key feature to these to this app, I believe. With just the 3D, that's enough to make me happy. Not every city has this. New York doesn't have this yet, but they are planning to make a lot of cities 3D. So as you can see, it's like not everything is perfect. They're definitely not working on this. Like the main buildings, they definitely worked much harder on them. Like I could also type in the stratosphere. I'm just gonna move that down so I don't see my address in the recent searches. So the stratosphere is in Las Vegas. Searched it, and it's like the tallest free fall in the world. It's hotel and everything. It's fun. So this is what it looks like in Google Maps, basically. The stratosphere is the thing right here. If I tap the 3D icon, it magically becomes 3D, and I could zoom out, and I could go up close, like that. I could use my 2 fingers and twisting it to rotate again. I could move up really easily, like that. I mean, it's really sick how they allow you to use your fingers and do all this. So this is really the big key feature in this. So now let's get to the GPS, let's say. Let's say I want to find directions from New York to New Jersey. All I did was just type it in and click in the icon on the left where clear was. I just cut this out because it said my home address and everything, and that's a little too personal. So once I enter it, I click start, and now they have this new feature that is a hands-free GPS, and this is, and it works something to do with like Garmin or something, as I read. So what happens when you're actually moving, it actually will read you everything, and it obviously moves, like it would do this as you drive past it, like a GPS. So I'm just swiping right now, and this is all hands-free. So I just did from New York to New Jersey, so just put anywhere New York to anywhere New Jersey. If I tap on it, nothing happens. But if you click overview, you get to see the whole map out. And if you tap that on the bottom left, you see all the directions and everything ahead of time, which is really nice, just like a GPS. So these are really the some of the main features that I really looked at in the new Apple Maps. It's not dramatically different besides the GPS and the actual 3D. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. same graphics, if not a little better on Apple's end for their app. But it's totally worth it when the update comes out. I'll be really looking forward to having this out for everyone. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. This is Jibabe. And as usual, if you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed.